RX-7 FC. Looks cool. And a crazy wide body RX-7 FD. I think it's a Kaiser. That's his logo right there. And yeah, freaking touching the ground. Like literally. It's touching the ground, literally. Crazy wide fenders. Wheels are, I don't know. We just met the owner. We might do a photo shoot later on. Another R35 GTR. Looks dark. Crazy RWB. I don't know if it's the same. Yeah, it's just an RWB. Yeah, it looks crazy. I don't know who's the owner, but it's packed with all this. That is the R35. And we have an S15 Slam. I love it. I don't know who's the owner. I don't know if it's a Spec S, Spec R. I think he's leaving now. Spec S or a Spec R?
Spec R.
Sounds good. I like the wang. So we met again in this. Location. It's very cool for the photo shoot for this RX-7. And then there's an RWB that was there. There's another GTR. It was there too at the car hangout in Akihabara. Bunch of cars just left. Another RX-7 and a few more. So the shoot is done. We are in the RX-7 wide body and we're going to Akihabara again. That's the Porsche 964 RWB.
So exciting.
I know, bro. Tokyo drift stuff.
Oh yeah.
Except not drifting. An R34 GTR. This guy's famous, I think. An R34 GTR. Another R34 GTR. Slammed. 180 SX. This is a 180 SX with just made fenders. I got the RWV here. Another GTR. Slammed. S15, S15, S15. That looks crazy. I love the wing. Yeah, that's the stuff. Tokyo drift stuff, but no drift. I mean, two cars are just too good to drift.